A speaker produces sound by converting electrical signals into vibrations that move the air around us. Inside every speaker is a part called the voice coil, which is attached to a flexible cone or diaphragm. When an electrical audio signal flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that interacts with a fixed magnet inside the speaker. As the electrical signal changes rapidly, the coil moves back and forth, pushing and pulling the cone at the same speed as the sound wave. These vibrations move the surrounding air particles, creating pressure waves that our ears interpret as sound. The faster the cone moves, the higher the pitch you hear, the larger the movement, the louder the sound. The material of the cone and the shape of the speaker are carefully designed to produce clear, balanced tones across different frequencies. In multi-speaker systems, different speakers handle specific parts of the sound: woofers for deep bass, tweeters for high notes, and mid-range drivers for vocals and instruments. Together, they recreate full, realistic audio. So, every beat, note, and word you hear from a speaker starts as electricity, turned into motion, then into waves of air that bring music and sound to life. Comment the next topic you want to learn.